morning everyone. Our first lesson is knowing our numbers. Okay. In this lesson, we are going to study how to identify our greatest number in ascending and descending order and something like that. Okay. We are going to study one by one. First one, comparing numbers. First topic is comparing numbers. Here we have given 93, 457, 8,956, 25,432. Clear? In this set of numbers, which is the greatest one? In this set of numbers, which is the greatest one? We can easily identify this is the greatest number. Clear? We can easily identify this is the greatest number. And let me check the next group of numbers. Here, this is the greatest number. Okay, how can we identify? We are looking the digit. Okay, here only 2 digits are there. Here 3 digits. Here 4 digits are there. Here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Okay, so normally this is the greatest number. And which one is the smallest one? Clear. 93 is the smallest one. Now look at the next set. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are here. 4 digits. Here 5 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit numbers are there. Okay. So this is the greatest number in the given group. And this is the smallest number. This is the smallest number here. This is the smallest number. Clear? Here the digits are different. Okay, from there we can easily identify which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now let me check another example. If given the numbers having same digit, then that time how can we identify? If the numbers having same digit, how can we identify? Let me check with the 2 examples. Here 8261 and 8278. Okay, we are going to check with these 2 numbers. Here first we start with the first we want to know how many digits are there. Here ones place, tens place, hundred place and thousands place. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Both having thousands place. Okay. So both having 4 digit numbers. Now we are going to check which one is greater in these 2. Okay. We are starting with the tens place. Okay. Here tens place number is 8. Here also tens place number is 8. Sorry. Thousands place number is 8. Okay. Now look at the 100 place number. Here 100 place number is 2. Here also 2. Okay. So we move on to the tens place number. Here tens place number is 6 and here tens place number is 7. Clear. So from this we can say that this is the greatest number of these 2 numbers. Clear. Let me check with another example. And okay, both having 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both having 5 digit numbers. So let me check here. Here ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here also 10,000 place values. So start with this digit. Here 4. Here also 4. Now check with the thousands place. Here 1. Here also 1. Then move on to the 100 place. Here 2. Here also 2. Then move on to the tens place number. Here 8. Here also 8. Then what we will do? We want to check the last one. Ones place. here 6 and here is 7. So normally this is the greatest number. Clear? Did you understand how to find the greatest number? Do you understand how to find the greatest number having same digits? Okay, next we are moving to. Okay, next is ascending and descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means arrangements from smallest to the greatest. Okay, what is descending order? Arrangements from greatest to the smallest. Okay, now we are going to study larger numbers. Okay, larger numbers. Which is the greatest two-digit number? Greatest two-digit number is 99. Okay, 99 is the greatest two-digit number. If we add 1 plus this number, we get, which is the greatest one-digit number? One-digit number is 9. If we add 1 with this digit, we get 10. This is the smallest two-digit number. Okay. Then, which is the greatest two-digit number? 99. If we add 1 plus this number, we get 100. This is the smallest three-digit number. If we add, which is the greatest three-digit number is 999. If we add 1, we get 1000. This is the smallest four-digit number. Clear? And if we add 1 with the greatest four-digit number, we get the smallest five-digit number. Clear? This is called as 10,000. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, and this is 10,000. Okay, if we add 1 with the greatest five-digit number, we get how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How can we call it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This is 1 lakh. Clear? If we add 1 with greatest 6-digit number, what we will get? Okay, we get ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. We get 10 lakh. Okay. If we add 1 with greatest 7-digit number, we get how many digits are here? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. This is called it as 1 crore. Clear? This is 1 crore. Okay. Next we are going to start methods of numeration. Our next topic is methods of numeration. We have two methods of numeration. Okay, two methods of numerations. What are they? First one is Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Clear? First one is Indian system of numeration and second one is international system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Okay, Indian system of numeration is also called Hindu-Arabic number system. Clear? Indian system of numeration is also known as Hindu-Arabic number system. This is also called as Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay, let me check with one example. Okay, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number are given. We are going to write it as an Indian system of numeration. How can we write? In Indian system of numeration, we are going to separate these numbers using commas. Okay, in Indian system of numeration, we are going to separate these numbers using commas. First, we are going to take 3-digit number 1, 2, 3. Okay, after that, we take 2-digit. Then here only 1 digit are remaining, so let it be like that. Okay. And another example. Okay. Here we are going to arrange this using commas. Here 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 1, 2. And like that. First we are taking 3 digit. And then 2 digit, again 2 digit, again 2 digit. Okay, we are following this method in the Indian system of numeration. Clear? And this is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Okay, this is called, okay, this period is called ones period. First 3 digit. Okay, this is known as ones period, and this is 1000 and 10,000. This is called as thousands period. Thousands period. And next one is lakh. This is 10 lakh. This is called as lakhs period. Okay, this is lakhs period, and last one is crore. This is called as crores period. Clear? In Indian system of numeration, we use commas to separate the numbers. Okay, first 3 digit is known as ones period, and 10,000s and 10,000s is known as thousands period. Lakh and 10 lakh is known as lakhs period, and this is crores period. Clear? Okay, next one is how can we write international system of numeration? How can we write international system of numeration? For that we use 5, 0, 1, 8, 3, 1. Okay, we are taking this one. Here ones, tens and hundreds. This is 1000, this is 10,000, and this is lakh. This is the Indian system of numeration. In international system of numeration, how can we arrange these numbers? This is normally, this is ones period, and this is thousands period, and this is, in Indian system, we call it as a lakh period, but in international system, we call it as a millions. Okay, million. Here, this is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is million. Clear? Let me check with another example. Okay, I forgot to say, in this system, we are separating these numbers using commas. How can we arrange these numbers? After each 3 numbers. Okay, after each 3 numbers, we use commas to separate these numbers. Clear? In Indian system, we use first digit, first 3 digit, then each 2 digit we put commas. In international system of numeration, every 3 digit we use commas. Clear? And this is known as the ones period, and this is the thousands period, and this is million. Okay, if we have another group here, we call it as billion. Okay, 2, 5. Okay, if we have another group is there, we call it as billion. Okay, then ones, thousands, million and billions. Clear? Now, how can we read the greatest number in international Indian system and international system of numeration? Let me check with that one example. Okay, we want to insert commas and in the names. We want to insert commas and write the number names in the Indian system of numeration. Okay, we want to insert commas in the Indian system of numeration. How can we insert commas here after 3 number? Then 2, here 2. And this is ones period, and this is thousands period, and this is lakh period, and this is crores period. Then now we can read it easily. How can we read? 5 crores, 43 lakhs, 16,870. Clear? After arranging these like this, we can read it easily. How can we read? 5 crores, 43 lakhs, 16,870. Clear? Next, we are going to arrange these numbers in international system of numeration. Same number, how can we convert in the international system of numeration? How can we insert commas after every 3 numbers? Here 3. Okay, and this is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is million period. So how can we read? 54,316,870. Clear? 54,316,870. This is the difference. Here we can read 5 crores. So, okay. Next topic is estimation. Estimation gives not an actual value. Okay, it gives an idea of that number. We are going to round the numbers nearest tens. Okay, let me check with the. We are taking 37, 540, then 445. Okay, we are taking these three numbers, and we are going to round the numbers nearest tens. Here nearest 10. In this case 37. Okay. In this case we are going to check the first digit. Nearest tens, we are going to check the first digit. Here first digit is 7. We know that 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So, what we will do? We add plus 1 with the tens place number. Okay. Then ones place became 0. Clear? Then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Here 0. Okay. So we can say that 37 is estimate to 40. Okay. Nearest tens. In the case of let me check with another example. That is 540. In 540, check the tens place number. Okay, tens place here, tens place number is 0. 0 is less than 5. So, what we will do? Ignore these numbers. Okay, ignore this number and write down the same number. Okay. So, 540 is approximate to 540 itself. Here 40 comes. Okay. Next one is 45. Next one is 45. Okay. Here one's digit number is 5. So what we will do? 5. If one's place number is 5 or greater than 5, we add plus 1 with the tens place number. So, and one's place became 0. What is 4 plus 1? 4 plus 1, 5, and write down 0. So, 45 is approximate to 15. Clear? Next we are going to round the numbers nearest 100. Okay, we are going to round the numbers nearest hundreds. Okay, for that we are taking 449. Okay, 854. We are taking these two numbers. 864 we are taking. Okay. Here first number 449. In this case, we are checking the tens digit number. Clear? We are going to round the numbers nearest 100. Okay, in this case, we are checking the tens place number. Here and same as the root. Here 4 is less than 0. Sorry, 4 is less than 5. So, what we will do? We ignore these two numbers and instead of that numbers we put 0, 0 and write down the number here. Clear? So 449 is estimate to 400. Clear? Next one is 864. 864. 864. We check the tens place number. Here tens place number is 6, which is greater than 5. So what we will do? We add plus 1. We add plus 1 here and these numbers become 0, 0. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 and write down 0, 0. So 864 is approximate to 900. Clear? Now we are going to round the numbers nearest 1000. Okay, first we have done 10, then 100. Next one is 1000. Okay. For that, we are taking two numbers. Okay, in this case, we are check the 100 place number. Okay, we are check the 100 place number. Here 6. In this number, 6 is the 100 place number. So, 6 is greater than 5. So, what we will do? We add 1 with the thousands place number. So, normally 100, tens and ones place becomes 0. So, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 and write down these zeros. So, this number is estimate to 8000. Clear? Next one. Let me check with this number. Okay, here 4. 100 place number is 4. So what we will do? We just ignore these three numbers. Okay, and write down 1 here. So 1437 is estimate to 1000. Clear? Okay. We are going to check estimate the product and verify the actual calculation. Okay. Estimate the product and verify the actual calculation. Here 570 into 773. 570 into 773. Okay. In this case, what we will do? Here, it is not given rounded off to tens, hundreds or thousands. It is not given. Okay. In that cases, we are going to check. How many digits are here? Here 3 digits are. Okay. So, check the tens digit number. Here ones, tens, hundreds. Greatest place value is 100. So, we check with the tens place number. Here tens place number is 1. 1 is less than 5. So, what we will do? We ignore these numbers and write down 5. So, this is 500. Okay. And 773. This is also 3-digit number and greatest place value is 100. Then check the tens place number. Here tens place number is 7. That is greater than 5. So what we will do? We add plus 1 with the 100 place number and tens place and ones place. We write it as 0 instead of these numbers. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 and write down 0, 0. Then we want to find its product. This is the estimated numbers. Okay, this is the estimated numbers. Now we are going to find its products. That is 500 into 100. What is 500 into 100? 8 5s are 40. Okay, then how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So, this is the answer. Now, we in your question, we want to verify the actual calculation. We want to verify the actual calculation. So, what we will you do? You have to multiply these two numbers. Okay. You have to multiply these two numbers. 517 into 773. Same. So, 7 7s are 49. 1 plus 1 is equal to 36. 1, 4, 6, 9, 3. Okay. This is the actual calculation. First one is the estimated calculation. Here the difference. In this case, it is not given round off to tens, hundreds or thousands. If they are given rounded off to tens, hundreds, that time you have to follow that method. Okay, if it is tens, you can check the ones digit number. If it is 100, you can check the tens digit number. If it is 1000, you can check the 100 place number. Okay, if it is 5 or greater than 5, you can add plus 1 with the next number. If it is less than 5, you can avoid that number and write down the other number itself. Okay, clear? Okay, I hope you understood today's class. Okay, that's all. Thank you.